Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a gift box for a guy. We're going to be using the Vest gift bag add-on. We're going to use some of the parts and pieces to create elements to the box. We're also going to be using the Pixi box die set for our box. And then I may use the Outdoor Fun stamp set just for the sentiment. Adventure awaits, I'm thinking is what I'm going to use. We'll see. All right, so I did go ahead and cut my parts and pieces. So we're going to do our gift box first. So this is the Pixi box. We're going to go ahead and fold it up and fold our score lines. All right, so there's our Pixi box all folded up. We'll assemble this shortly. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side for a second. Now, from the Pixi box, I also cut out the square that's for the top. I cut that out twice. I cut once from white cardstock, and I cut it once from the same brown cardstock that I'm planning on using for my decorative elements. And what I did, I took the vest die and I laid this back on top, just like so, put it where I wanted it, and then ran that through again, how I got my little V shape for the vest for the box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and layer this up. So let's make sure those bottom corners are lined up. It is cut so that there should be a little bit of the white showing on the sides here. So that's going to be his shirt. We're going to go ahead and add the collar. Actually, before we add the collar, I need to add that part, and I should have added that before we put the vest down, so we'll just trim that off. Let's see. We just need it. See if we can slide that up. We'll slide it up and then add this. There we go. Now that's in place. We'll go ahead and tack this back down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add his collar. I'm going to actually pop some foam squares behind the collar so that it stands up just a little bit more. Just like that. All right, we have a small, I have that same brown strip right here. There's two of those in the set. I cut another one out of that brown cardstock, so we have the stripe going, the part of the jacket going down so that it would continue on like there was it's two parts together. So there is that. We also have some pockets. We're not going to use all of them. I'm just going to use maybe one pocket or two pockets. We'll see. Go ahead and add a pocket over here. And that pocket's cover. Here's the flap of the pocket. And then I'll add a button. Just a little bit of glue. We add his little button here on his pocket. And maybe he has some fishing hooks attached so he doesn't lose them. So we'll add a couple of those. We'll add one more. We're going to add a button on the shirt as well. We're going to take that and we're going to add that to the top of our box here. We're going to add our little small pocket over at this other side, up in here. I decided I wanted that on there. For a little bit more texture. And we're going to have his little worms. Crawling out of the pocket as well. Although this one looks more like a snake to me than a worm. All right, let's go ahead and assemble the box and we will add our other pieces. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do our decorative pieces now. So we have our parts and pieces for the side. I just cut those from the same brown cardstock that we used for the vest. It's going to go down there. That one I'm going to put on the back so that the box is complete. All right, we're going to go ahead and assemble this. We're going to take our flaps here. We're going to add liquid glue right there. Pull this in, make sure it's square and that corner is lined up. Do that same thing to the other side over here. That glue grab just a little bit. We're going to do the top flaps next. Just pull it around right there, just like that. Make sure that's nice and lined up and squared. Do that side. There's my box. We take our little front flap. Add that on the front. Now we're going to add the rest of our decorative pieces. We're going to add the little fishing pole. Gonna dot some glue behind here. I was thinking beforehand I should have added adhesive strips behind and just made them into stickers like we did in the like I did in the video where I made the quick cards. If you missed that, I will try to link it up here in the top corner so you can go back and catch that. Let's do our bottom part of our little fishing pole, the reel part. Or actually, that's the rod part. And this would be the reel. And I'm thinking this is more of a fly fisherman than a tradition. Well, I guess fly fishing would be more traditional fishing than the other fishing. Beats the heck out of me, y'all. All right, we're gonna add our little lure. Down here. I also have another little lure we could add. Maybe he's got an extra one. Actually, I'm sure most fishermen actually do have extras, so. And we'll add our little fish that he caught. He's holding on to that. Now I'm going to add a couple buttons going down the center. All right, there we have it. There's our finished little pizza, Father's Day pizza box. Just pop your little gift in there and you can give it to Dad or whoever, Granddad, whatever fisherman you have in your life. I'm sure they would really love this little gift box. So if you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right there. I will see you over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.